Hey everyone, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to talk about Venus in Uttara Ashadha Nakshatra. And if you haven't checked my description box, you can check down below for the consultation and everything. Check out my Linktree and you can find more details there. So let's go for the topic of today. So Venus in Uttara Ashadha Nakshatra. So the first thing about Venus in Uttara Ashadha Nakshatra is Uttara Ashadha represents the only nakshatra that doesn't have any partner or any pair, animal pair for them. So this nakshatra also have the solitude. These are the people, whenever they are getting into a relationship, their personal space is very important. So solitude and space very important in relationship for Uttara Ashadha people. And also for the people who have Venus in this nakshatra, your partner will be someone who value that, which means they need their space and they need their solitude time. So you need to give that. So next thing about this nakshatra is the very main thing about this nakshatra is this nakshatra doesn't have any pair, any animal pairs, so it considered to be alone, but it's actually not. Uttara Ashadha also represents later success, and also it also represents later relationship will works well in your life more than your early life. So people who have Venus in Uttara Ashadha, probably in your early days, in your young days, in your 20s, you would probably have very not stable relationship, or you will meet people who may not be with you after your 30s, or probably when you're in your 30s it will change. But after your first Saturn return, which is 30, you will find a stable in your life. And I would say after the 33 age, you would meet, or your when you are going through your first Saturn return, that period, you will meet someone who will actually will stay in your life, and that is the time you will find stable in your life, consistency in your life. So Venus in Uttara Ashadha, I have actually get so many readings for people who have displacements, and most of the time, whenever they describe what type of partner they want, and whenever they are explaining it, it very clearly shows these people would love to have their partner who are business-minded people, who are self-employed type of people, who are very much who have their own job rather than working under anyone. They want their partner to be someone who is just like that, while they will be someone who is working under a company or working under someone. But they love to have partner who are self-employed type of person. So the next thing is opposite nakshatra is Punarvasu and also Pusha nakshatra. These two nakshatras clearly shows your partner will be someone who is very protective of you, and someone who is very gentle, and someone who's actually very loving, truly loving you. And this relationship will come, as I said, later in your life more than early in your life. Early in your life, you may find it hard to find stable, to find that consistency in your life, including with your career, regardless of wherever this placement Venus in Uttara Ashadha. Yes, it will shows inconsistency, or more like a lot of wave you will see in your life, be it in your relationship, be it in your career, even including your family. But your later life will be something that is very stable, something that's very peaceful. Yeah, that's the word. Something will be very peaceful. Finally, it's like it's calmed down and it's going consistent, very consistent and very good. So this is why Venus in Uttara Ashadha people, the early life will teach you patience, to be very patient in your life. Regardless of anything in your life, you have to be very patient to get that. And the next thing is As I said, this placement also can indicate solitude, and also these placements can also represents same gender relationship. It's like a bisexual or someone who is into same gender relationship. So yes, this can happen. Venus in Uttara Ashadha. Since this nakshatra, as I said, doesn't have pair, these people actually will see another person as a human more than a gender. For example, whenever they are talking to someone or whenever they are looking at someone, they will actually see that person as a human. Then comes that person is woman or man. So that's how this person's point of view, which is actually very good. We all are humans first, then comes our gender and all other things in our life. So another thing about Venus in Uttara Ashadha is, this is, I would not say if there's any combination or any conjunction, but this is very general. Will be someone who is very much spiritual, someone who is very much less sexual desires. They are sensual. Okay, here's the thing. Venus in Uttara Ashadha people, sensual. They are very sensual, very connected with their sense, but not sexual. Their desire for sexual relationship is not really there. For them, they are more about mental and emotion type of person more than physical looks. So actually this is a good thing. For Venus and Uttara Ashadha people, these are the people who will not fall for looks. So it's actually a good thing. So, and they are also someone who looks for relationship based from their mental connections. They want to have that deeper conversations with their partners, this type of things, more than the physical looks is like something they just don't even care. So yeah, the next thing is they will find relationship later in life, and that relationship will be something very stable and healing. Whatever the thing that they faced in their early life, the pain, the traumas and everything, later in their life their partner will be someone who are the one who will heal them. So people who have Venus in Uttara Ashadha, you are very lucky people. So just wait, be patient. Your partner's there. So just be patient and you will find them later in your life. For now, focus on your career and focus on yourself. So the another thing is, when you're going through your this is for specifically for Venus in Uttara Ashadha, for people who have Venus in Uttara Ashadha, you will be guided by someone who is same gender. If you are a woman, there will be another woman who will help you to get that career that you want or to achieve the success that you want. For a man, you will find a man who will help you to achieve the success that you want or the goal that you want in your life. When you're going through Saturn return, your first Saturn return, you will definitely see that. And the next thing is, opposite attraction doesn't apply here at all. Due to these people, when growing old, they tend to look others as for their mind and thought than physical, as I said. So opposite attractions, especially physical attractions, doesn't work for these people. Venus in Uttara Ashadha people is actually very, very, very focused on someone's mental and emotions more than physical look. They just don't bother about physical look. So this is why these people are very wise when they get aged. So people who have Venus in Uttara Ashadha, your partner or you will be someone who have very gentle or very slow type of communication skills. You will think a lot before you say it to your partner, or your partner will be someone who is very much take times to express their emotions or even to accept the relationship. So it will take time. The one thing, the another thing that I have seen for Venus in Uttara Ashadha is, your relationship may start with friendship, from friendship, and then it will grow into relationship, which is actually stable and commitment, strong commitment between you and your partner. So this placement is actually very strong commitment, very sensual. Your partner will be actually very sensual and very loving and truly accept you for who you are. And as I said, they will be a healer. They also will be someone who is very much into loving opposites, or they love to have interest in herbals, or they love to cook. Your partner will be having that interest, and you will probably gain weight after your marriage because your partner will be very much taking care of you for Venus in Uttara Ashadha people. And when I say gain weight, not like unhealthy gain weight, you will be very healthy. That's what I mean here. So the next thing is also your partner, even though they are soft or gentle, there will be someone who's very straightforward communication. Whenever they have issues, they have some disagreements or anything, they will be very straightforward to you. They will express their emotions very well, and this is where you will learn how to express yourself. So your partner will be actually guide you how to express yourself, how to express your emotions, for people who have Venus in Uttara Ashadha. And your partner will also heal the traumas or the pain, as I said earlier, whatever that you went through in your early life. And your partner also will be someone who will motivate you a lot to achieve your goals. For Venus in Uttara Ashadha people, this is actually very, very nice placement. If there is other conjunctions, and especially if this is your Atma Karaka, then definitely this is a good one. We just need to see which house, but generally this Venus is actually good. So your partner will stand up for you, supporting you publicly, privately. They will stand up, they will be strongly supporting you. They will be someone who's like a backbone for you and supporting you no matter what. And the communication between you and your partner is actually very beautiful. It will actually becomes very much understanding, and very much that deep understanding between you and your partner will be very solid. And that's where the strong commitment will comes into your life. Venus in Uttara Ashadha, I have seen, especially if this is Atma Karka, or this is the any first, second, or third highest degree, this person will be tall, or they will have very much long legs and they will be very much lean. And also for people who have Venus in Uttara Ashadha, your partner will be someone who is a very lean type of person and very tall, and they can also be interested into some kind of movement type of arts, like painting, dancing, or they will be involved into all this healing type of things, like yoga, all this stuff. They love to do that, they love to learn that, and they will have natural talents in arts. So this is for Venus in Uttara Ashadha, and I hope this one helps. And also please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.